Whenever you are. Woo! You look dead.
God, before I die. Okay. Ready?
We're ready. I still need to do that. I need to practice. I do right leg, but don't matter. Smooth.
What should I do now?
Something cool.
You know what I like doing?
What? If I die and drop your camera, will you hate me?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Nice. I'm shivering.
Oh, you're gonna kill me! If I get killed, they'll be sued.
Yeah, I got a lure, so you're good.
I have a lawyer, my mom's a lawyer. What should I do now? One hand.
Do an aerial. Or, okay.
Ready? How much time do I have left?
About 20 minutes. Wait, 19. Woo!
Catch it. What should I do now?
Front tuck.
No,
Why not?
I don't like that.
Okay, front handspring.
I'm gonna do a layout.
Okay.
If it doesn't look break my ankles over me. Ready?
I'm ready. Stupid camera.
Oh, crap. Ready?
Hey!
How much longer do I have?
I'm videotaping my friend.
I just hit myself in the eye.
Hi, how are you doing? Good, how are you? Oh, sorry. I'm good.
Ready?
It is.
It's gonna be a good one.
Alright. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. 3. Do this. Fear.
3,
Unless I kill a kid.
2, 1.
Guys.
Excuse me.
No,
Could you move out of the way a little?
no, it's okay, Amanda. The little baby needs to learn respect for elders. Wow,
Yeah, you're so an elder.
that was kind of funny.
Mm,
You cold?
yeah, and I'm really jealous. How many back handsprings can you do in a row?
50 million.
Holy crap!
What?
Someone kicked the ball and it went over the fence and over there and it bounced like that. Doop, 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 doop.
What? It's like this, yo.
That's a back walkover. I'm talking handspring. Okay, that's better.
That
Riley used to be able to do 11 in a row.
was, I can do 11.
Then try doing 11.
I'll do 15. No. I'll have one for that.
Try doing 10.
No.
Dang.
Ready?
Yep.
I don't want to kill my hands.
I'm not counting.
12.
Woo!
Okay, yeah, since I'm like super dizzy right now, you can turn the camera off.
Okay, bye.